You open your trading app, and nothing is happening. No breakout, no crash, just sideways. And somehow, this is when most people lose the most money. Today I'll show you why doing nothing can actually be your biggest edge in a flat market, and how to survive it without losing your mind or your capital. Let's be honest, flat markets are boring. When prices move up, we feel smart. When prices crash, at least there's action. But when the market just moves sideways for weeks or months, it feels like you're missing out. So what do most traders do? They force trades, they overthink, they slowly bleed money through small losses and fees. But here's the truth, most people don't like hearing. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. A flat market is like quicksand. The more you struggle, the deeper you sink. Why? Because trends give you direction. Sideways markets give you noise. Imagine flipping a coin repeatedly and trying to predict the next result. That's what trading in a flat market often feels like. Random moves with no real follow-through. And randomness punishes impatience. Think about traffic lights. When the light is green, you go. When it's red, you stop. But what if the light keeps flickering between yellow and red? You wouldn't keep pressing the gas and brake every second, right? You'd just wait. Markets work the same way. No clear signal equals wait. So if doing nothing is your edge, what does that actually mean? It doesn't mean being lazy. It means being selective. Here's how smart traders handle flat markets. Protect capital like it's oxygen. Your money is your fuel for future opportunities. If you lose it during boring periods, you won't be ready when real trends appear. Reduce position size. If you must trade, go smaller. Flat markets are not the time to be aggressive. Focus on preparation, not prediction. Use this time to study charts, review past trades, and build your watch list. Professionals prepare when others gamble. Accept boredom as part of the game. The market doesn't pay you for activity. It pays you for patience. Let's say someone trades every day in a flat market and loses just 1% each time. That doesn't sound like much. But after 20 trades, they're down nearly 20%. Meanwhile, someone who waited still has their full capital ready for the next big move. Same market, different mindset, different outcome. Here's the part nobody talks about. Doing nothing feels wrong because we're wired to act. We think action equals progress. But in trading, restraint is progress. You're not missing opportunities. You're filtering them. You're not inactive. You're disciplined. And discipline is what separates survivors from gamblers. Flat markets are not your enemy. They're a test of patience, a test of discipline, a test of whether you trade to feel busy or to make money. Remember this, you don't have to win every day. You just have to be ready when it matters. Sometimes your biggest edge is simply staying in the game. If this helped you see sideways markets differently, drop a comment. Patience is a position.